Hi, this is Daniel, your vernacular product specialist. Today, I'm in a BMW and I'm going to show you how to use the iDrive controller. A couple of basic things. You do have some physical buttons wrapping around the dial, and then you have that large dial right up in center. If I hit the menu button, it'll take you right here to this main portal where you have a couple of options where you can dive into. Every single one of these, you'll have multiple menus and displays that you can choose from. And to do that, you'll rotate the dial clockwise to go right or down a list, and then counterclockwise to go left or up a list. To make a selection on anything, you simply press right on the dial. What I like about this too is this entire system is super intuitive. You'll see an indicator with a dial all the way in the far left of the display, and it tells you roughly where you are on a list. So if I go ahead and scroll clockwise, you'll see that I'm drifting lower towards that list. I also like this little enhancement that's on the right side where it shows you a preview of what you'll be looking at should you select whatever it is. And again, as a refresh, to select, I'm just going to press enter or press on the center of the dial. And here I have gotten into the owner's manual. There are a couple of things I can choose from, and I really like the animations option. One of the unique things about this car is that it actually has some great functions illustrated with a video.
The system automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle stops.
Now, if I need to go
This
back,
prevents unnecessary fuel consumption.
I can just press the dial over to the left. So you can also do that gesture as well. That's known as the back switch, or you can also hit the physical back button. Now, another button I want to talk about is option. When I select option, this gives me the ability to adjust the way I'm interacting with this screen. Should I want a split screen, I can have that. And if I want to have that split screen, I can break up my audio or the navigation. I'm going to go ahead and hit back again. If I select the media button, this is going to take me right up into the source that we're listening to. For instance, FM. COM is communication. This is where we'll have the ability to connect to a Bluetooth device. In this case, my device isn't connected, but I'd be able to see all the contacts and the most recent call history. I can also dial a number or reach BMW Assist. If I select the map button, it takes us right to the map where we are located. And if I select the navigation option, which is related to map, this is where you'll be able to quickly enter a destination, either by a search, by a specific address, or a point of interest. And again, if I select the menu button, it takes us out of anything we're at and takes us right back to this main display. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can follow our Instagram and Facebook to keep up to date with the latest product information and social media feeds.